Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to make slime with Boro Plus. So first of all we need to pour your glue. Okay, I'm going to use this yellow color. Oh, so now I'm opening the lid and I open like this, okay? And I will pour it in my bowl. Look at this, guys. This is looking like an orange in my pink bowl. Ooh, बहुत सारे bubbles हैं इसमें. Wow. So I have put all of the glue, but only a little bit is left. Okay, I finished my bottle. Let's see. अब नहीं है. Okay, अब हम इसको अच्छे से लगा देंगे. I will add little bit of this pink glue. Okay, little bit, one drop, like this much. You can't see it, so I will show you. Over right here, I put the pink glue. Where is my? So now I'm going to mix. So guys, I have done mixing. So now you need to put Boro Plus into it, little by little. Okay. Ooh, it is became too thick. So I will show you when it is done. So guys, I have done mixing with it and it is going to be thick and its color is like a butter and its consistency is like a butter. So I need to add little bit of more. I see that the Boro Plus get its color slime. So guys, I have put the Boro Plus into it and mixed, and now I need to mix it. So now it is going to become a slime. This is really easy to make slime if you not have any activator. Okay guys, please like to my channel and subscribe and share, comment, press the bell icon, so if you doesn't miss my any video. Okay, so you need to mix it really hard, so I will show you when it is done. So guys, I have done mixing it, so now I need to mix it with my hands. So I will mix it like this. It is really sticky. And its color like pearly yellow. I love this color. This is really soft slime. This is its color like a pearly yellow color. So I need to get little bit of slime out from my bowl, and then I will show you. So guys, I have done mixing it and it is not that much sticky, and this is really soft. You can make it with Favicol, Favigum, and this my glue. When you make this slime with Favicol, you add little by little and it turns really cool slime. And this is really pearly color, so it shines on video but it is not that much shiny. When I put it closer you can see its color. When I get it onto the bowl you didn't see its color that much. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon if so you doesn't miss my any notifications. So bye guys, keep watching.